Okay, so I got up at 3 o'clock this morning. Actually, I woke up at 2 o'clock this morning. Finally got out of bed at 3. Today is Jeep day. Gotta hook the trailer up without waking up the entire neighborhood. Trailer's down, secured, chained. Hopefully nothing falls off. Okay, I think we're ready. Time for a 4-hour drive to Georgia to pick up the Jeep JL. So, looking forward to it. Yeah, let's try that. And one of these, whatever this is. It's cheat day. Okay, so after 5.5 hours of driving through the middle of Atlanta during rush hour traffic, morning traffic of course, finally made it to the dealership. No problems on the trip, so pretty happy about that. So let's go in and get a Jeep. Okay, so finally made it home. That seemed like it took literally all day long. It's like 6 o'clock in the evening now, so left at 4:30 in the morning, back home at 6. Again, hit Atlanta during rush hour traffic, so probably planned that about as bad as I could. So about an hour delay in downtown Atlanta. 285 loop was even worse. So. But made it back, no flat tires, no trouble on the trip, so super happy with that, and looking forward to getting this thing on the ground. Finally made it home. Finally have it parked. Everything went well. Pretty happy with the trip. Super happy with the JL. So it's time to start thinking about what's next for this thing. So if you guys want to follow along and provide some suggestions, ask questions, I'd love to hear your feedback on the direction you think I should go with this. So click that subscribe button, and we'll have some more videos out to you soon.